My dear children, I am Mother Earth, and I have watched as you have grown and learned in your schools. But there is something that troubles me deeply, and that is the amount of garbage that is produced in your schools every day. I see the overflowing trash cans in your classroom, and I feel the weight of the waste that is piling up in your landfills. Every piece of garbage that is produced in your schools represents a missed opportunity to reduce waste and protect the environment.
Every day, schools across the country produce tons of waste. Schools are supposed to be the place for learning, growth, and development. However, one issue that often goes unnoticed is a problem of garbage. The trash that accumulates in and around schools can have a significant impact on the learning environment and the institution itself.
For me lang, no, as a student of ACC, no need naman ang magbutang garbage. Kanang basurahan din because what is the value of natin basurahan din niya ang mga student kani may basurahan pero ang student wala gilabay sa basurahan, di ba? What is the point for that? Ang naang sa tuwa lang is that is self-discipline.
It is not comfortable to see since last time I experienced like I was late and then suddenly I just directly sat on the chair, and when I stand up all the dust are on my pants, and like it's so disgusting to see there are a lot of garbage around.
So now, let's take a closer look of the situation of one of the classroom in Sibonga Community College in concern with their garbage waste disposal. As you can see, this classroom has no sign or presence of trash bin. The floor are dusty, as well as their chalkboard. Take a look on their chairs. The chairs are disarranged, and there are lots of waste scattered on the floor. Every day, schools around the world generate tons of waste that would end up in landfills, polluting our environment and threatening our health. According to the World Bank, the amount of municipal solid waste generated globally is expected to double by 2025, making it more importantly than ever to find sustainable solutions for waste management. This is particularly important for school where students or children are taught about the importance of environmental stewardship and sustainability.
In our 2 weeks of working here in your school, I think they lack of garbage disposal since sa pag-work na maka-observe may nga ang mga wastes is dinara sa pipiti pang tapok mao na dapat tanawon as tanawon as a problem kay murag dili siya ingon nga nindot tanawon sa.
We as student government officers namin gina-provide ng mga trash bins in every classroom. Ang pangutana nangawalang ubang trash bins. So ang kasagaran sa classroom nga naa trash bin nga naay trash bins is kaning extension and then kaning NR from 1 to 6, and then amo na observe as SSG kada classroom instead of 3 trash bins nga among gibutang or among gi-provide, duha na lang, isa na lang ubagi nangaliki. However, makaingon jud ko nga maybe wala sayop ang nag-provide the trash bins, it is the students.
Una pag dire nga sa kamumot pa ang din kinanglan dili ka pataglabay ang mga estudyante sa basura na jud butanganan sa kamumot pa namo muna na butang miksako butanganan sa basura kay nami ubang estudyante nga itsa ba dili gid sila mo dumdum kung asa tong basurahan mo to igon sa kamumot mo sa una to karon mo pagipon lang ibutang sa tubangan nga na butanganan di jud kalikayan sa uban nga itsara mo Muna mo dyan na ikuha ninyo sa sulod nga kinanglan, ang basura, ibutang jug tarong, dili kayo takit sa, hugom kita na palipot sa school. Bakit kita na nga ang basura, makatag-katag. Ang mga estudyante po, pabutang ko sa tarong, kaya itsa ra kay itsa ba?
Garbage can be a significant distraction for students, especially if it is overflowing, smelly, or attracts pests. This can lead to a reduction in concentration and focus, which can negatively impact learning.
Ugaw siya lang tao, makadistract.
Parang mga basura, kuan ka ng mga puso, kanang uluro na ba? Mga limaho mo na, magkakuan na sa mga siganting kadaot sa islang kuan.
May smell na.
Oh, smell na.
Sa may smell.
Sakto jud ko yan. Kaya mga basura, makadaot yun na sa atong mga estudyante. Sa mga dili sila comfortable. Kay motivating environment man ang gipromote sa atong eskwelahan. So sila, di sila makafocus sa pagtuon.
Schools should prioritize waste management to prevent negative effects of garbage on teaching and learning.
Yes, the amount of garbage around the classroom or inside the campus has an effect on students' performance and also their achievements. In the sense that if we are to attain a perfect learning environment, then cleanliness is one of its factor. And also, if there are a lot of garbages on the floor or inside the campus, then it means that we are not providing a conducive environment for our students.
It may affect, it has an impact to learning, but it does not affect the entire variability of learning. Naradjud na siya kanang attribute lang siya ba for distraction, but for me, regardless if it's untidy, but as much as possible, dapat yun ang tidy ta. It reflects on the teacher as well as the student. Kaya again, so casa meaning your classroom is like your home. Kung pati ang pag-present sa inyong classroom, if it's unorganized and untidy, it would reflect on you.
It is important for schools to prioritize proper waste management to ensure a safe, healthy, and conducive learning environment for students. Proper waste disposal in schools is crucial for maintaining a clean and healthy learning environment. It is important for students and staff to practice responsible waste management to reduce the amount of waste produced and prevent pollution. This includes proper sorting and disposal of different types of waste, as well as implementing recycling programs and encouraging the use of reusable materials. Recycling school trashes is an effective way to reduce the amount of waste that ends up in landfills and contribute to a more sustainable future. Schools generate a significant amount of waste each day, including food waste, paper, plastic, and other materials that can be recycled. Implementing recycling programs in schools can teach students about environmental responsibility and encourage them to adopt eco-friendly habits. Recycling can also help schools save money on waste disposal fees and reduce their carbon footprint. With the right infrastructure and education, recycling school trashes can be a simple and effective way to make a positive impact on the environment. Proper waste management practices have a positive impact on the environment, human health, and the economy. By reducing the amount of waste that ends up in landfills, we can decrease greenhouse gas emission and prevent pollution. Recycling and reusing materials can also help to conserve natural resources and create new jobs in the recycling industry.
Of course, when the environment is actually clean, you will have peace of mind. There will be no distraction like you'll feel secure. And when you're secure, you are confident, you become confident, you become like, there's no hindrance to whatever learning that you need to have or to acquire, because you can focus without like having the feeling that I am not safe in this place.
The impact of garbage in school can be significant, but by working together and taking action, we can create a cleaner, healthier, and more productive learning environment for all. Together, school can make differences in reducing their footprints and creating more sustainable future for generations to come.